2060 Audi Q3. How to remove the vacuum pump, because if you have oil leak in the back of the car, most of the time problem is the vacuum pump. So I removed the high pressure fuel pump, and there's 3 bolts you have to lose, so it's so easy. I removed the airbags, removed 3 bolts, 10 millimeters, but the problem is this cooler line is on the way, so you have to remove. There's 3 bolts, third one right here, and this is the part number. So I don't move it all the way, but I just make it out from the way so I can have enough access to move out the vacuum pump gently. I don't have a recorder, so I have to use one hand, and this is the steps, and this is the part. This is the part number. Let me know if you have any questions. I can answer any questions. Thank you.